Okay. Such a like category is equals to electronics or category equals to jewelry. Okay. We'll continue with this, sir. We will discuss all now. Next, seventh one. Write a query. Online people, is it clear? Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear till now? Good. Please try this query, sir, everyone. Answer this query. Good. Now, I am asking it like not greater than. Okay. Now, someone in the online actually give it like less than or equals to. That is logically true. But technically, you can write it. I just logically same answer will come, but I am just doing it in this way. db dot products dot find. I will not. I just want to show it like not one. That's why I'm doing it in this way. Okay. Price greater than 500. L use products db. Just a minute, there is something wrong. Unknown top level not. If you trying to negate an expression, use nor. But not is also there, na? Dollar not. Is it removed? But what happened? Okay. Not is not a top level one. So I can say here price, here not. It's not a top level one. And under are top level ones. So go here, top level operators. They will take this. Let me do the same query with a changed value. Will it work or not? Price dollar not. Now it works. Now men's clothing. Now what I will do, and another question. Next one. Now this will be maybe interesting. Write a query. Write a query to print all the products. To print all the products whose category is men's clothing or electronics or jewelry. Sir, if you observe this, I am having it like three values. I can use logical OR, but logical OR is ideal for two. But if you write it there, it will work. But instead of doing that method, I will use something called in. If you remember, even for MySQL also we have in. When you are having a set of values, you can use something called insert. How to do that, sir? If I go here, db dot products dot find and column name is category dollar in will take some kind of array of values. Men's clothing, electronics, jewelry. Now all the products, if you observe this query, all the products with men's clothing or electronics or jewelry, those things will come, sir. See, all are coming. This is like category, if category is in this array, either this or this or this, it will work. You can even use exactly not in NIN. Not in is like it's not in the array. Like it will come any other category except these categories. If I use same query here, not in NIN, go here, print this. We can also use NIN for not in. Doubt? Doubt ma? No. Next, next one. Element whether exist or not. Write a query to print all products that contains field that contains field that contains field. Uh, Apple is not having, like, I think if you see all the products, if you see all the products, every product is containing ID, title, price, description, category, image, but one product is not having them. Like I added one product called Apple. Apple का description नहीं है. Apple के पास name है. Okay. Now I will be like I will delete descriptions in some also. If you observe if you observe two products, I deleted the description. Already Apple is not having any description. So I want to print only the elements who are not having this, sorry, who are having the description. Okay, remaining products and all have the description. Okay, and also I want to print elements who are having name. Only Apple is containing name. Getting my point, ma? So how do you do that? So it's like whether one, because MongoDB is a dynamic one. Whether it may have it like one element, one field, may not have one field. So all the elements which contains the field, for that you will use db dot products dot find which field you wanna check it. I wanna check the description. Here in the question contains the field description. Only the element containing the field description. So how do you do that, sir? Here I will say description exists true. If I say description exists true, you can even say one. That means this description is existed. Which column, sorry, which documents containing the field description. Now, if you observe it here, I'm getting the answer. Can you see what is the first one that contains the description? Which one it is containing? First one, third one, na? Why not one and two? Because one and two are not having any description. I don't want, like, I want products which are not having description. In that case, you can see if you wanted products not having description, you can say here description is false. Now, first one, second one, and Apple are not having any description, sir. Are you getting my point, ma? It will check whether that particular field existed or not. You can note it down, sir. Now, You can even check, write a query to check whether whether the price is whether the price is double or not. Online, if you have any doubts, you can tell me, sir. How to know which bracket should be used, sir? Under which operator dollar in comes? Okay, I think I didn't tell. Dollar in is also comparison only. In comparison operators only, dollar in also will be there. How to know which bracket should use? We always use same brackets. Only for arrays you should use that square. Remaining all you will use it like the set brackets only. Okay. Now, normally point values will be in a type called double. Okay. Now, if I go here, products, if you click here, you can see what is the price. Double, na? I just want to check it, make sure I would just want to confirm it. Is it correct or not? To do this, all we have to do is write the query db dot products dot find price price is price is of type double. Only the elements with the price type double are printing. If any element with the price not the double one, it will not print. See, that's why it printed all 20 documents. If I go here, if I go to the products or one, edit, change it to some kind of int. We have it like different types here. Okay. Now I changed it to int. Now if I perform the same query, if I go here to the top, can you see first product is not there? Why first product is not there? Good. Where is it? Please do it, sir. Next one. You want? I didn't understand. With string, you perform the comparison operator. Nothing will happen, na? Oh, price is a string. Now then you have to convert that price into normal one. That we will not do it in DB. That we will do it like in the see in DB. However, you store it doesn't matter, na? When we come to the we can because backend will do that. Ah, ba see in DB. However, you store in DB what data type you store it doesn't matter only. It matters like only the concern with the data types in DB is because of the storage problem. Okay, like we have to maintain a storage. That is the only problem. Once you get it, for example, you store it at a price as a string array. Okay, you will get it anyway in the Node.js. Na? When you retrieve the data, you will get that. Na? If you get a string, you will put a parse in, which will convert into integer. If you are getting an integer directly, you will use it because backend language will know it. Na? You got my point. Yeah. And that is how actually it should be done also because validations will be done there nicely. You can do validations here also, regular expressions and all, but it will become more messy. Now, next, update operators. We have array operators also, we'll discuss it, but update operators. Write a query to update, write a query to update price, price of a product to 300, 300, whose name is Apple. Now, if I see here, this one we already did update. Okay. You can use update minimum most of the cases. If you see, I have something called Apple. If I see here name Apple, find name Apple. I got this now. Is there any price field, sir? If price field is there, it will be updated. If price field is not there, it will be added. Now in that case, I will add the price. How do you add the price here? You remember which operator we use? We already used this operator in the update menu. Set. Thank you, sir. We use it here. Update menu. We use one operator called set. We can set here. What we can set? Price is 300. I will also do this. Name is Apple 2. Can you see what I did? Can you see what I did? I updated two values. One is name value I updated, price value I added. Doubt, sir? No. If I ask what is the Apple one now, it is not coming. Any guess why it is not coming? Apple 2. देखो एप्पल 2 आ गया नेम, प्राइस 300 है। Oh, yeah. And change name to Apple 2. I am just changing the question. Okay. Set is one of the operator. Now you saw so many operators. Now you understand why do we put the dollar and all. Okay. If you see it like first time when we see it in update, we got it like confused what is this dollar and all. But now it's all operator uses that. Online, anyone have any questions, sir? Next. Write a query to remove field price from product whose ID is 3, whose ID is 3. Can we use update 1 if have to update only one attribute? No, update 1 doesn't mean updating one attribute. Update 1 means updating one document. देखो, imagine two apples are there. Update many will update both the apples. Update 1 will update the first apple. It's not like how many attributes you are, how many fields you are giving, that is not important. How many documents you are updating, that is a point. Dollar is used only with operators. No, actually, dollar is used for so many cases. But for operators, it will be used mandatory. In future, we will show it like different ways that order dollar will be used. Okay, is it clear, ma? Any other questions, sir? Now I want to remove the field. To remove the field, sir, first I will see this dollar 3 value. db dot find id is 3. Can you see there is a product with ID 3? And what is the price? 55 point. But I don't want price, na? I'm saying it like I want to remove it. To remove, we will use an operator called unset. To add, we use it as something called set, na? Same way, we will use unset, sir. We will use here, comma, dollar, unset, price. You can give empty value. Considering get field or set field, just a minute, with the dot, dollar, field path starts with, huh? What? Hmm? Sorry. I'm using find na. That's what I'm thinking. Update many. These are update operators. Good. Update. Now if I ask it here, find the $3. Can you see is there any price for that? For your kind information, this is not possible in MySQL. MySQL, if you delete a column, that column will be deleted for all the rows. Okay. You can delete complete column. You can delete complete row. You cannot delete one column for one particular row because उसके पास structure है. Okay. Please note down this, sir. Unset to remove the whole field. Correct, ma. Unset is to remove the whole field. Write a query to increase each price by 100. Suddenly, I want to increase all the prices like 100 rupees. In all products. DB dots. How do you do that, sir? DB dots, products dot. You can do that. I wanted to do it for all. If you want to do it for all, you can put it empty here. Okay. And you can use something called INC. INC means increment. Price I wanna increment. I wanna increase the price by 100 rupees. How many documents came price? 21. And all are increased. Now if I find it here, all documents now. Can you see here? Originally, originally the first product used to have, where is this first product? Huh. First product used to have 109. Now it became 209. Okay. If you remember, Apple used to have 300. We only gave na Apple 300. If I give it here, now Apple became 400. Sir, if you want to decrease, there is no dick. Okay. So increase ink is there. So for that decrease, what you will do here only give negative number. Price minus 100. Price minus 100. It's like an addition operation. Yeah, that's what I did, na. In case for like a some kind of sum only, na. What do you wanna do? Do it in multiplication. We can do write a query, write a query, write a query. Um, I don't know exact mathematics. Like if I have it like 100 rupees product, I want to give 10% discount. Then it will become 90 rupees, na? That means I have to multiply this with 0.9, right now? That is only na logic. I don't. You are also like me only then. Anyone tell me if I wanna give 25% discount, what I have to do? I multiplied by 75. Is it correct or not? Why that much silence, Ray? What is the curly bracket empty rule here? Empty means everything. When you don't give empty, sir, when you don't give any value, empty will take it like all documents. Okay. Now, write a query to multiply each price by 0.75 in all products. All products. Same logic. All you have to do is mull. Update many here. Instead of ink, you should say mull. Mull means multiply. See, if you ask it here, give me all products. 156.75 now. Because 209 earlier, 209 में 25% डिस्काउंट आ गया. Calculator 209 for 25% discount. 209. 209 multiplied by 0.25 minus 209. Correct only, na? Which is 25% discount. 75. This is the query, sir. Rule is like first curly braces is for matching, second curly braces is for updating. Okay. In case first curly braces you don't have anything, you should write it here empty one to provide it all. If you have a specific condition like only the price, the documents whose price is greater than 300 or whose category is electronics, in that only give the discount. Like that one, you have to do it. This one is straightforward when compared to the MySQL. Single line, simple answers. Good. Any other I told? I didn't set the update on. Now, here update one, push pull we did. Push pull are used for the updating into array. Like we didn't have any array field. Add a field. Field name tax array. So it automatically contains array. So I will have names like uh, uh, tax zero index. What tax I can have? Cloth, clothes. Simple fashion. Hey, where is this array? I think I updated now. Huh? It's not there. किधर है? Last one ना. That's what my mind is not working. Now, see, I have tags. So now I want to print this. Can we perform aggregations like average count? Yeah, we can do that also. Okay, we'll do it. Don't worry. Now here we have two more things which are like pull and push. If you want to add an element to the array, you will use push. If you want to remove an element from the array, you will use pull. Write a query to add um, tag good to tags array in product ID 1. Okay. Now all you have to do is db dot products dot update many id 1 comma dollar push tags good. If I ask here push, sorry, find. Can you see there is another one called good? Doubt? Any doubts, ma? No. We have it like modifiers called for each and all. Those kind of things you can use it. Okay. We have it direct. We have it like here also in directly MongoDB we have for eaches. Okay. We will discuss that modifiers one. But normally push will always push it to the last. Okay. So same logic. You all know that. Okay. Now next pull pull. You can even use pop also. Pop will remove the last element. Okay. Write a query tuple 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 elements elements good good. Now um if you are searching for one field with id 1 then why to use update many. That I just do it like something silly. You can do it like update one also. There is no point like there. True. Logically it is true. If you are using it only one, you don't need it. Okay. Now db dot नहीं here if you use update one also query में कोई difference नहीं रहता क्योंकि वो एक ही document है. I'm just habituated with it. Yeah. Full there is no pull. Same like pull, you can also do pop. But the difference is pull will pull whatever the elements based on a condition. You can give a condition here. For example, this is a tag here, but instead of this, imagine these are some kind of marks. Okay, 30, 40 something is there. You can even give marks less than or equals to 20. All the marks which are less than or equals to 20 in that array will be deleted. Okay, it can do multiple. Okay, based on a condition. But pop is not like a condition. Pop is like it will remove always the last element. If I do it here, update many here. If I do pop in tags, if I say pop one, it will remove the last element. If I say minus one, it will remove the first element. Can you see last element is deleted? Okay, first element is clothes, last second element is simple. Now if I do it like same query, minus one, this time first element is deleted. Pop. Now all are deleted. You can even do something called pull all. Pull all basically empties the array. Okay. Now go here. Just not it. Oh, sorry. Not this. Not this. Tags good. Pull. Note it down. We can also do pop. Pop. Which is used to remove last element. Last element of array. Array. One is for last and minus one is for first element. Next, rename price field as cost in all products. db dot products dot update many. First one, second one here. I will use something called rename. Rename, you should give it like the current name and the new name. Okay. So I have to change here. Current name is price and I want to change it to cost. If we want to change the ID of all products, like the first product ID is one, second product ID is two, three, and so on. How can we do this? Then we need to do it some kind of procedure. We have it like some kind of way. We will do it in future. Don't worry. Okay. Now here, copy. If I print here products, you can see, hey, where is prices there? Huh, देखो, cost it is. Any doubt, sir? Now, not only that, sir, we also have three methods by default. The three methods such as this. We have so many, but three major ones. Like imagine I am printing all the items which are category electronics. So it will print all the items with the category electronics, right or not? Now in this products, I want to sort them. Then you need to write dot. You can actually have so many methods here. Okay, see? Okay, and I'm taking one method called sort. What is the method name? Based on which element you wanna sort. Based on title, based on cost, based on price. I just wanna go for cost. There is no price here now. Cost one. One is for increasing order, minus one is for the decreasing order. Now based on the cost, it will go on. You see, cost 824, cost first is less cost 123, 156, 524, and 824. If I do the same thing, sort, which is like the next one. Till now, you are doing it in one thing only. Dot is like the next. Okay, it's like multiple functions can be given in a chain. One value will be given to another one, which is minus one, which will give exactly in reverse logic, starting with 824. Or, okay, you are getting the answer. Or, how many are there electronics? I want to know count. How many are there electronic products? Barabar. Or in this electronics, you are sorting them. First, instead of sorting them, uh, skip some things. Okay, skip skip two. What does it mean by skip two? First two elements will be skipped. In MySQL, it's an offset. So if you see here, first two elements were skipped. It starts with 160 guy. Okay, and then 156 guy, 156 guy, 123 guy. Okay, now next. Actually, skip will be always done last. I think skip will done last. Even I gave it here. Skip is working last only, I think. I don't know. Like exactly order is this would be perfect order. Skip perfect order too. So that I will get a clarity. Exactly. So now highest products will be deleted. Highest ones are deleted. Why not we do it the same thing in reverse? Now the lowest one should be deleted. That 156 wala. 156 one is there. 160 is there, 520 is there, 824 is there. Okay. Are you all getting my point, ma? To have the simple one, I will print it here. Title value 1, cost value 1, underscore ID 0. Because that much now, instead of getting confusion, I will see it like only this products. Now, now how many products are printing? 4. But total how many used to be there? 6. Or you can even, instead of skip, you can even use something called limit. स्किप टू लिमिट टू आर नॉट सेम. लिमिट टू बोले तो टू आता है, स्किप टू बोले तो टू निकलता है, लाइक रिमाइनिंग वाला आता बाकी वाला. डाउट? एनी डाउट सर? Online, anyone have any doubt, sir? And that's what I mentioned here also in the notes. Also, I told these three things. I forgot the count. Tell me, ma. This will contain some like one pattern matching only, na? We have it here. Regular expression rejects pattern matching. We have to rejects pattern matching. You have to do. Prints the total documents count. In the next class, we'll discuss the pattern matchings. We'll discuss aggregations. Okay, and we'll discuss the aggregation pipeline. Mostly by Thursday, it would be over. Okay, is it clear, ma? And everyone, Monday there is no class, and on account of Diwali, wish you all advanced happy Diwali. Okay, thank you, ma. Thank you. Online, any questions, sir? Is limit is similar to the SQL one? Yes, exactly same. Can we do aggregation framework? Yes, we will start it. Don't worry. That's it for today, ma. Thank you. Yeah, you can leave. Yeah.